Introducing the all-new Prokan 80 inches GT Maxim Outdoor Kitchen, your ultimate cooking station delivering maximum performance without taking up big space. Built with rust-resistant construction for long-lasting outdoor durability. Featuring a heavy-duty firebox made from premium 304 stainless steel combined with rust-proof cast aluminum end caps. Experience serious grilling power with premium 304 stainless steel burners delivering 40,000 BTU of even heat distribution. The heavy-duty cast-iron cooking grate system conducts heat better than ever for exceptional searing performance across an impressive 754 square inches of cooking space. Take roasting to the next level with the included premium 304 stainless steel rotisserie kit. Powered by a powerful 12,000 BTU ceramic rear burner for juicy, flavorful results every time. The stain, heat, and scratch-resistant sintered stone countertop provides an extended preparation area built for hassle-free outdoor cooking. The integrated 63-liter fridge keeps your beverages perfectly chilled for every summer barbecue gathering. Front pull-out grease access makes cleanup fast and easy. Built-in grill lights illuminate your cooking surface, keeping the barbecue party going long after sunset. The easy-access tilt-out trash bin keeps outdoor cooking organized and eliminates constant trips back and forth for cleanup. And with the included grill cover, your outdoor kitchen stays protected and ready for the next gathering. Prokan 80 inches GT Maxim Outdoor Kitchen. Built for performance. Designed for outdoor living. Your backyard. Their jealousy.